In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Atome account. If you no longer plan to use your Atome account and want to remove or close it, this process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go in the app and what to expect along the way so you can complete it confidently. To get started, open the Atome app on your device. If the app asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log in so you can access your account settings. Make sure you're using the correct account before continuing, especially if you've used more than one account on the same phone. That helps avoid making changes to the wrong profile. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the Me tab. This is the area where Atome keeps your personal profile, account preferences, and security-related options. If you're not sure where to begin, this section is usually the best place to manage account details. After that, scroll through the available options and select Account and Security. This section contains the settings related to your login, identity, and account access. Since deleting or closing an account is considered a sensitive action, it makes sense that Atome places it here rather than on the main screen. Next, tap Account Management. This is where you'll find more advanced account controls. Depending on your app version or region, the wording may look slightly different, but the option should still lead you to the part of the app where account closure is handled. From there, choose Delete Account, or, in some versions, Close Account. Once you tap that option, Atome may show you a few important notices or ask you to complete additional security checks before your request can be submitted. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts carefully to confirm the deletion request. These prompts may be there to verify your identity and to make sure the request is intentional. As you go through this final stage, take a moment to read each confirmation screen before tapping through. If the app mentions any remaining balance, pending payments, or account-related conditions, you'll want to review that information carefully before completing the process. And that's it. Open Atome, go to the Me tab, select Account and Security, tap Account Management, and then choose Delete Account or Close Account to finish the request by following the on-screen instructions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.